Welcome to Inner Sky Radio, your space to reset your energy and align with the life you want to create. What if I told you that in just 21 days, you could completely shift your mindset, raise your vibration, and begin attracting the life you've always dreamed of? That journey starts now, with this moment and with these words. This is your daily abundance alignment ritual. Let it become a part of you. Let's start with breathe plus grounding work, which will help in opening the mind. Breathe in deeply and exhale gently. With every breath, imagine clearing the fog of doubt. With every exhale, imagine making space for overflow. You are not hoping anymore. You are claiming. Now, we will head for the affirmation flow, also known as morning abundance reset. Repeat each of these affirmations silently or out loud, as if they're already true. I am open and ready to receive. Abundance flows to me effortlessly and freely. I am in alignment with wealth, success, and opportunities. I attract what I believe I deserve, and I now believe in more. Money is drawn to me because I operate in purpose. I am a magnet for miracles. I radiate value, and it returns to me multiplied. I trust the timing of my manifestations. I deserve a life of ease, joy, and overflow. What I focus on expands, so I focus on abundance. Now we will transition to visualization moment. See it, feel it, receive it. Now visualize. You're standing in the life you desire. The home, the joy, the financial peace, the version of you who already has it all. Feel the version of you that is no longer chasing, but receiving. Grateful, aligned, certain. This isn't fantasy, this is your frequency. Now, we are approaching the closing of our session, and keep in check your daily integration reminder. Repeat this practice for 21 days without skipping. Let it become a belief, not just a hope. The universe is not testing you. It's waiting for you to decide. You are abundant. You are ready. And now, you're aligned. Thank you for tuning in to Inner Sky Radio. Come back tomorrow. Your future self already knows the way.